Today we're at a dog beach. Hey, what's up guys? Troy here. Today we're in Dog Beach in the Gold Coast, Australia. Beautiful morning. Let's see what we can find. Whoop. Another one! Hey guys, all done. I had to call it quits because I folded my wee shovel in half, so I'll be doing a trip to Bunnings today to get me a new one. Probably a bit better than that. So it looks like we're going camping. Got 11 tent pegs here. Probably the best one. Not too bad. And then go with that one there, is looking a bit, probably the worst. Bit rusty on it. Money, I found probably the most amount of money I've ever found today. So I got $5, two $2 coins and a $1 coin. $1 coins a bit old. Ooh. Make that one $2 coin. And a 10-cent piece here. It's pretty nice. And that is from 2010, so nothing, no lost treasure there. We got one nail, ba-boom. I think that's like a barcode thing when you steal something from a shop. Found that. 3 dog collars, which is pretty cool. You expect that on a dog beach though. So that one's pretty nice. This one's like an old choke collar. I think they're illegal. Let's see if I can get that on. Nah, my head's too big. That's alright though, pretty cool. And this wee gold colour one. It's pretty long though, it's nice. That's it guys. Until next time, see you later.